I'll show you how to create a digital store with Systemeio, just like this. All right, so to begin, you need to hover over site and click create stores. And so far I have one store I'm working on, and I'll use it to show you how it works. But in your case, you have nothing here. So all you got to do is to click on create, then name the store. So let's say ebook business. All right, then you need to select your domain. All right, so with the domain, I would advise you use a custom domain name or a professional domain name. Same thing. As you can tell right here, I have my Blockzone subdomain name, but I'm not going to use that because it's not professional. And I'll select blockstone.store. Then what do you want for your URL, which is your link that you're gonna promote? So in most cases, the same name you have here, you're gonna copy and drop it here. So let's say I'll copy and drop it here. Then you choose your language to your language, then click on save. All right, but I don't want to save this. I'll use this one to show you what you need to do moving forward from here. So I'll click on it. Now, this is what I'm working on so far, but the process is the same. This store doesn't have a design yet, but I would like to finish it first before I change the design. So for instance, if I click here, design, you see, then I will have to select any of this, but I'll do that after. So let's go back to the store, click on it. All right, once you get inside, you're gonna see here it's just a plain white box like this without your logo, and you're gonna have a dummy text on it with add new product and add a section. So what you do next is you have to create a section. A section is like a title, and then you're gonna have all your stuff underneath. So under free ebook, you have free digital product business checklist, and then under digital products, you have these two products. All right, so if I want to create another section again to add, let's say something like how to lose weight, so I'll click on it, then I will name it how to lose weight. So then whatever I'll create under how to lose weight will come here. Or even if in future you decide to change things, you can change things and move things around by clicking, dragging and dropping. You can move things over like this, but it's up to you. You don't need to do it if you don't have to. All right, so still I'm gonna create another product, so I will show you back what I'm about to show you. That's how it works across. So I'll click on add product. So with this, you can redirect users to an external site or add a creator's affiliate link. So if you click on it, this is how it looks like, and this is how I created my free ebook. So you're gonna upload a photo, title, button, and subtitle, then the link you want to direct the people to. That's how I created my ebook right here. So now I'll create another product. So add a new product. All right, so in my case, I want to sell a digital download, so I'll click on it and I'll add the image. So click on select image. Right now I don't have the image here, so this is the image. I need the product I would like to promote, so I'll click on it and I'll click on download because I want the first page. I'll switch this to PNG because I want just an image, and sometimes it shows MP4, but you have to switch whatever you want. If I want to download the entire PDF, which I have done it and uploaded already, but I'll show you, you just click on PDF standard. All right, but in this case I want PNG just for the image, and I'll scroll down. By the way, if you don't have Canva, I'll drop it in the description box or you can check it out. So click on select pages, then check off all, then select one, which is what I want, then done, then download. All right, so I will go back here, click on, all right, then I'll click here, drag and drop it right here, then click on upload, done. So select, check the box and scroll down and click on select. All right, so as you can tell right now it has cut the image, so I will close it and I will delete it. I know about this, but I just want to show you and how to go around it. So now I will click on file and create a new design. All right, normally I use custom size, so click on custom size, and it's 400 by 400, which is here. So type 400 here, all right, and by 400 pixels, which I have already. So I'll click here, but in your case you're gonna click on create new design. I'll click here because I have it already, and then what I'll do, it's just that Systemeio doesn't have it, so this is something you need to know. Well, that's why you are here, because I'll show you all this, and you push it up and push it down to hit the line, then push it to center, and then you're gonna download. So I'll name it. So you have to name it just so you know what you are doing. Click on share and then download it. So now it's downloading. I'll go back and I'll drag and drop it here and upload and done. You see it gave me the green check mark. So you select, check the box, then select. All right, so now it's perfect. Then moving forward, title. So this is the title: selling digital product with social media traffic. So selling digital products, social media. All right, then the button, I'll say get it for, let's say our price is $37 today. So that will be, okay, let me change this to today. And subtitle, Systemeio, I like this because they always give you an idea just so you know what you have to type, but I have mine already, so I'll copy and paste it. And then you click on next, or you can click on digital download, but I'll click on next just so it's gonna be easier. And then the title again. So for the download, copy, highlight and copy and paste it here. The next thing to do is to upload the digital product. When people pay, the product they will download. So click on it, and I have it uploaded already. If not, you're gonna have to click or drag and drop. I have it uploaded already, so I will just find it and just, all right, so this is it. Then scroll down and select, then click on confirmation email, click on it, and the title again. So I'll delete this and paste this here, and I'll change this to small cap, like the beginning of the words, because if you leave it big caps, sometimes it's not good. It affects your delivery rate. You got selling digital product with social media traffic. All right. And don't change anything here. Please don't. Leave everything you see here. Leave it like that. Don't touch it. All right. And make sure you have your sender email address properly. Select, click on save. So, all right. So next we have to click to drag, and we're going to select. With this, you just have to reduce the size. You see before it was up, but I have reduced the size to a bit smaller version, and you know why. And this is it. I download and uploaded it. So select it, scroll down, click on select. As you can tell, even I didn't reduce it enough, but I'll make it like this and crop and select image. All right, just to give an idea of what I'm promoting. But under normal circumstances, I have to reduce it again, say like this, and center it and download again. All right, well, let's try it. Click on share, download, and download again. So I'll go back here and I'll delete this, click to drag, then I'll click here, upload, then done, select it, scroll down, select, see, still. So I have to reduce more, but that's okay. You don't want to spend too much time. So the title, and by now I'll leave it like that, and the description. So I'll delete all of this and paste. Okay, provide. All right, so I'll keep things like this. Push this, that, just so you're gonna make it reader friendly. All right, then if you want to change something, add something, that's good, but I'll keep things the way it is. And scroll down, then email, whatever. This, we don't need country. I'll add last name because at the end it's gonna tell you need to add one. Then I'll push this down. All right, then scroll down. That's it. That's how to add the field. Then price, click here, scroll down, create one because we don't have. So for the price, I'll click on the plus sign and payment, one-time payment, and select it because I don't have it, the price I want to give to this product. So I'll create new. I'll highlight this to copy title, and then I'll paste it there, and right here I'll paste it here. But as you can tell, we have only 22 characters, so you have to reduce the text. So I'll make everything short. So I'll reduce this and use. All right, so I've reduced it to sell digital products. All right, and you can join the words together because that's the only way out. Then it's one time. You don't need to write everything in terms of title. You can reduce it. Then the amount, I'll give it, let's say $37 US. Click save and then select the payment method. So click on it and make sure you have activated your payment methods or your payment gateways. I have a tutorial on it. I'll drop it in the description box. And then select everything. If it's unchecked, make sure you select everything, then click on save. All right, then go up. All right, so click on next. Then next is your thank you message. You don't need to do much over there. Then click on publish. So go back here, check page, saying I need to work on something. The last name I need to make sure is required. Then next, then publish. All right, so right now this is what I have so far. And to edit design, click here and then select one of them. So let's say I'll go with this. All right, then apply. You can change it later. It's not a big deal. All right, so now scroll down and view. All right, so this is it, but I can change the background later to different color. All right, and this is the link you're gonna copy and promote on social media. All right, make sure you copy, you double click and right click and copy. So this is how you create a digital store to sell a product using Systemeio. All right, if you find value in this, please don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel.